today we are doing the gumball shot Lenny found from the Tipsy Bartender, one of his favorites. We are doing vodka, Blue Crocco, creme de banana, and ginger ale. It's going to be an ounce of each of these. We're going to put it in the shaker.
Why are you so mad?
Because he was locked in Jasmine's room today. Got home, he was just meowing at the door.
An ounce of Carusio. It's almost crick time, guys. I'm gonna go jump in the crick after we take this shot.
Oh, shit, I don't see like banana. Got carried away on the banana.
She get one of them pourer things. Alright, now she's gonna shake it all about. Hopefully it gets nice and blue. I bet you mine will be blue for sure.
Okay, now we don't want to fill it to the top because you still need to splash it off with the ginger ale.
And has anybody ever had ginger ale? I don't know if it's even good. I just bought that especially for this shot. So we'll probably be throwing this 99-cent bottle of stuff away here. What are you doing?
I'm going to pour it in something else because I know if I just pour it from here, it's going to spill.
Hey, look at that shot glass. How come we never use them?
They don't have nice little lines on the side for measuring.
Oh. Don't splash mine too much with that. Okay, she failed.
Okay.
Alright, well, let's give her a shot here. Shot, you know, get it?
It tastes like original like gum. It's like plain old gum.
Until you get the aftertaste
Of the vodka.
What is the is there any left in there? Put it in there once without the ginger ale. I'm gonna try it without the ginger ale.
You're tasting the vodka.
Yeah.
It rolls up on you afterwards.
Yeah, the vodka just rolls at you, you know.
Oh, if your life is too interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit, quitters never win. Comment, like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff.
And hit that bell and put on all notifications so you get notified when we upload our next video.
Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive.
Not for anyone under 21. Alright, have a great day, guys.